Hello everyone! Today we're dwelling a little further into each skin type. This video is about oily skin. So it's important to read the label of your products very carefully. Especially if you have acne-prone or sensitive skin, it's best to stick with something that says oil-free or non-comedogenic. Another tip to consider for oily skin is to use a gentle face wash. Periodically washing your face is essential for healthy skin, but overwashing it can strip it of its natural oils. A gentle cleanser is designed to clean your face of the impurities, but also will leave it hydrated and soothed. So remember to use a gentle, oil-free foaming face wash to get rid of those impurities and residues. Use a moisturizing lotion after cleansing your face. Using an oil-free moisturizer will allow for your skin not to have blemishes or breakouts, but in fact will keep it hydrated and less prone to producing excess oil. Remember to use a sunscreen daily. The sun can dry out your skin, leading to excessive sebum production. We recommend using an SPF 30 minimum sunscreen so that it can prevent your skin from getting dried out, but also prevent the oily production. Use astringents sparingly. Using astringent toners can help control oil production, but overusing it can dry out your skin. If you must include an astringent in your routine, opt for a natural one like witch hazel. Always keep blotting papers in hand. Using them can help remove excess oil throughout the day. Use them on your T-zone by gently patting them, which is your forehead, nose or chin, and this can get rid of excess oil. Use an exfoliating face mask. When dead skin cells mix with the oil production, they can clog your pores, leading to pimples or blackheads. While using an exfoliating face mask can actually help get rid of those dead skin cells. Try to look for anti-inflammatory ingredients to soothe irritated skin. Hope these tips help keep your oil production at bay. Keep watching for more videos on dry or combination skin.